Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marie D here, and we are here for another YouTube try-on channel. So make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube here, Marie D Try-Ons, to get the scoop. I also have been trying to set premieres so you get notified whenever I do release a video. So if you're subscribed to me, you're going to know and you're going to be able to see first before anyone else. And also, if you could just like and comment on this video, it helps me out a ton. As always, the best place to see me fully, instantly when you subscribe is going to be right there on maried.net. I like to lay it out nicely for you right here, maried.net. Don't forget to check me out there. I would love to have you. I have a lot of really fun stuff. Some new girl stuff just dropped. It's going to be really cute. So don't forget. Anyways, today we're trying on transparent dresses. We're going to get right into the video. They're going to be really cute and sheer. The weather is starting to warm up here in Texas, so we are just going to get kind of summer ready. Well, spring, summer ready, and try on some super cute sheer dresses. So stay tuned for that. Let me slip into the first one. This is the first dress. It is a purely metallic silver with absolutely nothing on underneath. One thing about it, my assistant did pin it up for me to make it a little more snatched. So I think if I were to wear it in real life, I'll go get it hemmed because I'm actually really feeling this. Like if I'm going to Miami, well, I'm going to Mexico in a couple weeks with some girlies. So make sure you're subscribed to our pages for that because it's going to be good. It's going to be a little spicy. But anyways, this is such a fun like beach, kind of like tropical night out dress. I don't know. I'm really feeling it. You're going to watch me walk around it and you're going to tell me if you're feeling it too because it is absolutely transparent but in a very subtle way that I think is very, very flattering and you can just kind of see through yourself. one of my top 5 favorite dresses I've ever worn. If it was just a little smaller on the waist, it'd be perfect. And I'm going to get it in because I'm obsessed. I have to wear this somewhere. I have to wear it in public. So let's go ahead and move on to the next dress. You tell me which one you like better. Alright, you guys, this is the last dress of the video. It is a completely sheer dress. I did make sure it was YouTube appropriate a little bit, but it's still kind of pushing the limit. So let's walk around in it. Let's see if it's wearable, because so far I'm really liking it. My body feels really good in it. I feel really free. There's a little bit of a current, like a little draft running through my body. It's very airy and open, this dress, which is great because the weather gets pretty warm here. So let me walk around in it. You tell me which one you like better, if you like the first one or if you like this one.